Welcome. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making fried tilapia and fried plantain. This is what I will be using to make the sauce. Okay guys, stay tuned. Everything I've already cut. This is my onions. This is fresh tomatoes and a hot pepper. I want it to be really spicy. When you eat it, you will be burning in my mouth. Here is my two plantain. I will first of all start for plantain because I like fresh oil. I like fresh oil plantain. I will be starting for plantain, frying it. The oil is in the pan. Now, as you can see, this is my tilapia fish, already spices with grounded pepper, aroma mangi, with salt and garlic powder, black pepper powder as well. You can use anything you want to spices. Now for spices, my big tilapia fish. Okay guys, then I will cut the plantain like this. I don't like to put salt in my plantain because it will too sweet when I put salt, and I don't like to cut my plantain down. Also, I like it this way. Now, I don't like to put salt. When you put salt, it will be too sweet. You can as well put salt. You can slice it in the bowl or in the plate. Then you sprinkle salt. But I don't like sprinkling salt because it will be too sweet. Now what I will do, we'll cut it, put it in the pan, inside the oil. I like to use fresh vegetable oil for my plantain. Then when I'm done with the plantain, I will now fry the tilapia. Okay guys, I'm waiting for the plantain to fry. Now let me make my pepper sauce. Put it pan already in the fire. Add the oil, not too much. Let me make my sauce with hot pepper. I put a lot of spices, a lot of pepper. And let me check it, my plantain. Yes, it's not ready. It's not ready yet. You leave it. When you turn one, it's not brown yet. You leave it to be brown before you turn the other side. I like to fry my plantain with the low heat. Make it brown and beautiful. Now I'm adding my onions. The sauce you are making for the fish, you will not overdone, so that you will enjoy it. You will be crumble in your mouth. And I'm adding my fresh tomatoes and pepper at the same time, and I will stir it together. Okay, stir it, turn it to cook. Then I just add the salt, spray the salt. I don't want the salt to be too much. Then I'll pull this mango tube. I stir it. Now my plantain is ready to turn. Turn it around so that the other side will also cook and well done and fry with low heat so that it will be not burn. See? Now turn it now. This is my sauce. Okay guys, let me check my plantain. Yeah, it's ready now, otherwise it will get burned. Let me take it out. This is my plantain. This is my plantain. Now let me check the sauce. The sauce is ready. You have to check it. You have to add the sauce. Let me check it. Oh my god, it's too hot. It's good. I off the fire. Now it's my time. It's the time to put put the tilapia fish to the pan to fry. I'm frying my tilapia fish. Now I want to turn it. Okay guys, my fish is ready now. Let me remove it in the pan. Off the gas. It's ready now. This is the big fish. It's ready. Okay guys, let me garnish it up. Here's the fish ready. Let me garnish it up. I have my cabbage. These tomatoes, and these onions, and this is cucumber. Let me garnish up, ready to eat. This is the sauce I make. I'm going to put the sauce separate.